Good morning, Vikings. Happy Wednesday. I hope you have studied. I hope you are ready for the quiz. I hope you finished your Marzano Squares vocabulary homework. And I hope you're going to rock this. I believe in you. Now, let's get that bread. No? Just go on with the instructions? Okay. So you're already here. You already found the video. You already have opened the assignment. Thank you. Next in the instructions, open the form below, follow the directions on the quiz, and submit when you are finished. So you're going to open this. It says Geography Vocabulary Quiz. You're going to click it to open. And then it's going to pop up. It's going to be a different class period, different teacher, whatever. Whatever pops up is the one that you're supposed to be on. And then it says, hi, your name. When you submit this form, the owner will be available to see your name and email address. That's why we're not having you write your name, because we already know your name. But make our lives a little bit easier. What is your class period? Second, third, fourth, and then click next. And then section 1, matching. Match the word with its correct definition. Now, friends, I am not going to read this entire thing to you. However, if you do need some reading help, first of all, plug in your headphones, because nobody wants to listen to you taking your quiz. And then hover your mouse over here. You see the little book with the icon? And then the words Immersive Reader pop up. Click that. And it'll take you to a new page. It's got the question here. And then you're going to push the play button. So when it's reading, you'll actually be able to hear it. You can't hear it on the recording because my computer doesn't in that advanced. But a mechanical voice will read all of this to you. And then it says end of question, close the reader to input your answer. So here's how you close the reader. If you go over here and you X out up in the top right corner, it is going to close out of the entire thing. You're going to have to open Teams up again, and that's just a hassle. So instead, you're going to do the back arrow. And you're going to mark your answer, and then scroll down to the next one. Again, the immersive reader, if you need that. If you don't need it, then just go to the next question. Push play, the mechanical voice will read to you, and then back arrow. So you're going to go through and you're going to answer all of these questions. The first 8 questions, I know it says 9, but the first question was your name. The first 8 questions are matching. So we got the definition, you give us the word. And then when you're done, you're going to click next. Uh-oh. I clicked next and Hawkins is not letting me go next. We'll read the directions down here. It's in red. Red means important. 8 questions need to be completed before going to next page. Question 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I didn't answer any of them, so I'm going to go through super quick, and I hint these are not the right answers. I'm just doing the last one in each row, each question, because gotta get it done, son. So then I click next. Section 2, fill in the blank. You must spell the word correctly. Fill in the blank with the appropriate vocabulary word from the provided word bank. Civilization, waterways, rural, agriculture. So the next question. The population of Tonopah, Nevada is less than 2,500 people, so it is a blank town. The answer is one of these 4 words. If you did your vocabulary homework, you know which one it is. Same thing, same thing, same thing. So I'm going to say, you're going to write the actual word, and spelling counts. Remember, if you spell it incorrectly, it's going to mark it automatically wrong. And then our last section, another fill in the blank. Again, you must spell the word correctly. Same thing, fill in the blank with the appropriate vocabulary word from the provided word bank. Pandemic, goods and services, slavery, and urban. If, my wonderful human beings, you are worried about spelling the word incorrectly, just double click on it. We learned this yesterday. Control and C will copy, and then go down here, Control V will paste. Now I don't have to type, I have just copied it and I know for a fact it's spelled correctly. And then I go next, extra credit. This question is not required, but you will not lose points if you get it wrong, so take a guess. Extra credit, what travels around the world while staying in the corner? I don't know, I'm gonna say pandemic. Hint, that's not it. And then submit. It won't let me submit because reasons. But when you are done, hit submit. You will get a little thing that says, thank you for taking this, and then X out and go to the next assignment. If you have any questions, who do you ask? Ask Dodge or ask Hawkins, email us or raise your hand. Go Vikings.